you can analyze your social campaigns in a variety of different ways. For example, you can use platform-native social media tools as well as other third-party tools to analyze your data and report on your campaigns. You can get real benefits from using these tools. First, you can use them to identify valuable metrics. Key metrics like click-through rate, engagement rate, and conversion rate are actionable and make the efficacy of your social media campaign more tangible, as they give more context to your social media ROI. When you've identified key metrics like these, you're less likely to rely on vanity metrics. Vanity metrics are social engagements such as likes, comments, and shares. These are exclusive to social media, but they're not actionable, and they don't really have any meaning unless you tie them to a larger business marketing objective such as awareness, side traffic, regeneration, and so on. You can also use social media tools to install platform tracking and conversion pixels, which can give you deep insights into social's influence on conversions. So, what tools can you use to track these metrics we just talked about? There are platform-native analytics that we'll dive into later, but there are also a few third-party tools that you can leverage to view and analyze your campaign performance. Google Analytics measures website traffic and performance. Tweet Reach measures performance on Twitter. Simply Measured, which is owned by Sprout Social, is a comprehensive social measurement tool that has both free and paid tools for analyzing all platforms. Sprinkler, Hootsuite, and Buffer are community management, social advertising, and post-scheduling tools that also offer analytics.